The Supreme Court has rejected a PIL that sought to lower the marriageable age for men in India. The plea sought to reduce the age to 18 years from the current permissible age of 21. The petitioner claimed that if men in India could vote and even join the army at 18, then couldn't they marry at the same age? The top court, however, dismissed this petition. Meenakshi Bhanja has more information on this. Yes, Meenakshi, over to you. Can you share more details on the grounds on which this petition was rejected?
Well, indeed, Afrida, this was a petition which has been filed by a lawyer, Ashok Pandey, who was seeking to lower the marriageable age for men in India to 18 years. The Supreme Court did not find any merit in his petition, and also alongside Afrida, he's been slapped with a cost of 25,000 rupees for filing such a frivolous plea. This was a plea which was very unique to the extent that it really raised the point which the Supreme Court felt was quite frivolous. And he made the argument, like you correctly referred to, that men at 18 can join the army and vote, so they should be allowed to marry. But of course, the top court has not found any merits in this argument, and it has gone ahead and slapped a fine also on this particular petition.
So that is again interesting, Meenakshi, because this is clearly supposed to be a deterrent as well for these kind of frivolous petitions which the Supreme Court does not feel necessary to entertain.
That's a very valid point you make, Afrida. Whenever any court imposes fine, and that is in this particular instance the Supreme Court of India that we're talking about, any fine amount in this particular instance, perhaps taking latitude of the view that he is not a serial petitioner. His name is Ashok Pandey, who we have heard move a plea of this kind for the first time. But it is absolutely correct that the Supreme Court frowns upon or takes umbrage to the judicial time being wasted by frivolous petitions. And any fine amount that is slapped on a petitioner advocate is an indication of the court's displeasure with the said plea.
Absolutely. Court's time cannot be taken for granted. It is indeed burdened with petitions day in and day out. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, with your information on this.